Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class. How are you all? Uh, this is a combined class, 9th A and 9th B, and we'll be doing geography. Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Abhi. Good morning, Beta. Let everyone come and we'll start with the class then, okay? Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Beta, class, let me know yesterday where did we finish? Because I think with both the sections, I think we have completed sufficient portion of the chapter, right?
Ma'am, we have completed the chapter. Only
Good
did
morning,
you
ma'am.
are left.
Good morning. Okay, we have completed the chapter.
Yeah, ma'am.
Only what is left?
Ma'am, did you know of page number 5 and page number 4, ma'am?
Okay, okay, that's really good. And what about A section? What about section A? Students, students from section A, tell me in geography, where did we finish in the last class?
Ma'am, size.
Ma'am, in B section, we have to start
Now we
neighboring
have to
countries.
start India and the world in A section.
In B section, and in C
Yes,
A section, and in A section, where we have to start from?
Good
Ma'am, we
morning,
have
ma'am.
to start from India and the
Ma'am, in B
world.
section, we have to start from neighboring countries.
Okay,
India neighbors.
okay, India and its neighbors. And in A section, the size part is done, location part we were doing, right?
Yes, ma'am, it is done. Ma'am, we have to start from India and the world.
Okay, we have to start India and the world, right? Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We need to come to India and the world here, right? Is Rohan there in the class? Is Rohan there in the class? Do we have Rohan Rastogi in the class?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I read?
Some of the students, they are giving fake attendance. That will not be considered.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Abhi, what do you want?
Ma'am, may I?
Reading part. No, reading part I think we have done. Only the explanation part is left, no?
Yes, ma'am. We have to done till
We have
Indian neighboring
to-
countries. We have to start with Indian neighboring countries.
fine. So
All
just
about we have
take
the
5 minutes.
explanation and reading.
I will take 5 minutes to do this India and the world, and with A section, and with both the sections. For you people, for the B section, it will be a revision, right? And for A section, a regular this thing for the particular topic that we have started.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Prachi. Okay, A section, tell me, India and the world we started or it was not started? Can we have the cameras on for the students, please? Cameras on, everyone. Okay. Tanishka, Ashish. Rohan, Akshat. Fine. A section. Tell me, India and the world we started, I explained you, or nothing was done? Roma? Bacha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yesterday, where did we complete? Where did we stop?
Ma'am, we stopped at the longitude and latitude, right?
नहीं नहीं बेटा, हमने काफी कुछ कर लिया था. We were doing India and the world, what I remember with A section.
Yes, ma'am, we were doing that.
Acha, in this India and the world, they are simply telling you that because of the strategic location of the country, if you see, if you look at this, okay, if you look at this, see the position of the country that we have, it is, look at this. See, it is centrally located, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then looking at the sea route, see, from both the sides, from the east and the west, it was easy to trade, right? From here and from here to here. But see, we cannot pass through the lands like this, no? So the sea trade that was taking place was crossing Africa and then going to the European states, right? Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
They say that everything was quite, because of the strategic location of the country, it was very easy for India to trade with her neighbors, also, you know, with the European, with the Western countries which were there, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is what you have over here. And one more thing they are telling. See, it is only India only India has a very long coastline. If you see the eastern part and the western part of the country, which is, you know, in water, it is completely, it has a very long coastline that helps India to trade with the other countries of the world. And then in the next paragraph, they are telling you, see, if you look at this, look at the coastline, how long it is, you know, from the Bay of Bengal, from this portion. Wait. See, from here here. Such a coastline, no other country has such a big coastline than India, right? So it was like because of the long coastline that the country has, it became very easy for the country to trade, right? Now coming to the next part of the paragraph. Here it tells you that India's contacts with the world have continued through ages, but her relationships through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. कह रहा है सी ट्रेड जो है हम तो करते ही थे, बट जो जो हमारे लैंड रूट्स थे, इफ यू लुक एट द पोजीशन ऑफ द कंट्री, ये जो आपका हिमालयन पोर्शन है, कैन यू सी द कर्सर ओवर हियर?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
कह रहा है हिमालयन रीजन से जो पासेस थे उनके थ्रू जो जो मूवमेंट था लोगों का, दैट वाज क्वाइट इजी, ठीक है? सी रूट से तो चलो हम लोग ट्रेड करते ही थे, बट हमारा जो कनेक्शंस हैं टू द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, दैट अगर आप देखो चाइना हुआ, तिब्बत हुआ, अफगानिस्तान, तजाकिस्तान, है ना, तुर्किस्तान, उज्बेकिस्तान, मंगोलिया, ये सब वो कंट्रीज थे जिनसे कनेक्शन हमारे कंट्री का था थ्रू दी पासेस, थ्रू द लैंड रूट्स, ठीक है? तो वो कहता है कि लैंड रूट्स हमारे काफी पुराने हैं, ठीक है? कॉन्टैक्ट्स थ्रू लैंड रूट्स आर क्वाइट ओल्ड. कह रहे हैं travelers, the various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers, while the oceans restricted such interaction for a long time. I hope this line is all clear and understood to everyone.
Yes.
Now these routes have contributed in the, now they say, see, how do people exchange ideas? How do we come to know that South Indian dosa is very tasty? Somebody must have gone to South India, or somebody from South India must have come to North India, and they must have, made these food items, and others would have tasted them. So they developed and, developed a taste for the South Indian cuisine, right? So that way they say that because of this interaction that was there, the ideas, the cultural practices, everything has, reached to different parts of the world from India, and has come to India from different parts of the world. जो भी ट्रेडर्स थे, जो भी मूवमेंट होता था, उस मूवमेंट की वजह से जो आइडियाज थे, जो हमारे कल्चरल प्रैक्टिसेस थे, जो ट्रेडिशंस थे, वो सब वर्ल्ड में सब जगह घूम के आए, है ना? और बाहर वर्ल्ड के जो आइडियाज थे वो हमारे पास आए. जैसे वी एज इंडियंस, वी नेवर यूज टेबल चेयर्स, राइट? हम लोग हमेशा जमीन पे बैठ के खाना खाते थे. ये हमारी कल्चरल प्रैक्टिस थी. यस क्लास?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
बट व्हेन ब्रिटिश केम टू इंडिया, तो क्या हुआ, हमने ये चीज भी सीखी कि भाई हम टेबल चेयर पे बैठ के भी वी कैन हैव द फूड, ठीक है? तो धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ, कुछ लोगों ने इन प्रैक्टिसेस को अडॉप्ट करा. तो ये जो आइडियाज थे, दे हैव ट्रेवल्ड, हमारे कंट्री की जो भी प्रैक्टिसेस थी, जो स्टोरीज ऑफ पंचतंत्रा हुई, रामायण हुई, उपनिषद हुए, इंडियन न्यूमरल्स हुए, डेसिमल सिस्टम हुआ, कह रहा है ऑल दीज थिंग्स हैव ट्रेवल्ड अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस. पूरे वर्ल्ड में ये घूमे, और वर्ल्ड के पूरे चीजें जो हम लोगों के पास हैं, वो वर्ल्ड के थ्रू हमारे पास आई, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंटरेक्शन, द मूवमेंट दैट हैड टेकन प्लेस. तो कह रहा है इट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सचेंज ऑफ द आइडियाज, कि आज की डेट में इफ यू लुक एट द आर्किटेक्चरल स्टाइल ऑफ द कंट्री, इट इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. गॉथिक स्टाइल भी है आपका, पर्सियन स्टाइल भी है, ठीक है? मुगल्स जो आर्किटेक्चर का जो स्टाइल लेके आए, वो हमारे पास कब से है? जब मुगल्स आए उसके बाद से ही तो आया, उससे पहले तो नहीं था. तो जो भी आइडियाज, ये कह रहा है कि जो हमारे जो वर्ल्ड सी रूट के थ्रू वर्ल्ड में जो भी हमारा इंटरेक्शन रहा है, इंडिया और वर्ल्ड के जो भी रिलेशंस रहे हैं, इट हैज हेल्प द कंट्री इन डेवलपिंग and spreading its ideas to the other part of the world, and taking the ideas of the other countries of the world in the country. I hope this is clear and understood to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
in India's neighbors, they are talking about
Ma'am.
the, yes beta,
Ma'am, what is merchandise?
बेटा कपड़े, मर्केंडाइज अलग अलग तरीके के आर्टिकल्स जो होते हैं ना, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. देखिए मर्केंटाइज का लिटरल मीनिंग होता है कमोडिटीज और गुड्स, ठीक है, कमोडिटीज और गुड्स, राइट क्लास? हाँ, चलिए. Now India's neighbors, we all know that India shares its international borders also with some of the countries, right? So can you name some of the neighboring countries of India? Just
ma'am.
wait, let me see who can answer this question. Can we have Madhav answering this question? Madhav? Madhav is not there in the meeting? Do we have?
मैम मैं आए
Okay, आदर्श बताइए बेटा.
मैम नेपाल, भूटान, बांग्लादेश, म्यांमार, पाकिस्तान, मैम अफगानिस्तान,
China?
No, I think Afghanistan is not the neighboring.
मैम श्रीलंका इज नॉट देयर.
हाँ, Sri Lanka is the island neighboring country in south, which is connected to India through the Park Strait. Okay, but it does not share the international borders with us, right? Right, class? See, we have Pakistan, we have Afghanistan, we have China, we have Nepal, we have Bhutan, then we have Myanmar, and we have Bangladesh as the neighboring countries which share the land boundaries with us, right? Then we have Sri Lanka
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Maldives, which are the neighboring countries, and they are the island countries, right?
यस मैम.
Okay, fine. See, if you look at this paragraph particular, they have specified that which part of the country has which country neighboring us by sharing the land border, right? Right, class?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now coming to the next part.
Yes, ma'am.
See, it is written over here, Sri Lanka and Maldives, they are separated by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldive Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. See, whatever is written over here as per the location direction, you need to remember those things exactly the same. You may get 1 mark questions for the same over here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Then India has had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. अच्छा ठीक है, historical और geographical links तो थे हमारे भाई हमारे neighboring countries के साथ, थे कि नहीं थे? Pakistan was once part of our country only, so we share a historical link.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, right. Then Sri Lanka,
यस मैम.
also historical links we have. Then geographical links also we have with Myanmar, Bangladesh. Okay. So this is where your chapter ends. Okay.
It is ended.
हाँ, chapter complete.
And we have done this chapter two times.
I know. So that means you will be able to by heart the things or the questions that are there. Shall we do the exercises, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And we will mark the exercise with the pen.
Huh?
Can we mark the exercise with the pen?
Okay. Fine. First question. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the states?
Ma'am, Tripura.
Ma'am, Odisha.
Tripura.
Odisha.
May I-
Beta, one answer I want, one answer.
Ma'am, Odisha.
Odisha.
Odisha, very good, very good. B is the correct answer for it, okay? Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to next, the easternmost longitude of India is
Ma'am, 97 degrees.
Ma'am, 97
25
degree 25 minutes east.
okay, 97
Ma'am,
degrees.
option A.
97 degrees.
25 minutes.
25 minutes east.
Ma'am, 25 minutes east.
Very good. So the option A is the
A.
correct answer, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It says Uttarakhand, third one, Uttarakhand. Circle is okay or arrow is okay?
Ma'am, everything is okay.
Ma'am, everything is okay.
Pakka?
We just got a mark.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I mark it?
No, no. ये इरेजर क्यों नहीं हट रहा है? So first one was this, second one is this, okay? Third one, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim have common frontiers with which of
Ma'am, Nepal.
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 Ma'am, Nepal.
very good, very, it is option C, Nepal. Now, if you intend to visit Kavirati during your summer vacations, which one of the following union territories of India you will?
Lakshadweep.
Ma'am,
Lakshadweep.
Lakshadweep.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Lakshadweep.
Very good. Very intelligent you people are. Good. My friend hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country.
Ma'am, Tajikistan.
Tajikistan.
Ma'am, Tajikistan.
Tajikistan. Very good. Option B. Very good. Beta, these exercises you will do in book only. Okay. Choose the right answer. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to the second part. चलिए. Abhinath, will you answer this question?
Ma'am, which second question?
Second first. Name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea.
Okay, ma'am.
Which one? Which is the correct answer? Please tell.
Ma'am, Andaman and Nicobar.
Arabian Sea, beta.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am,
May I tell?
Lakshadweep.
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 Yes.
And Maldives.
The group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea are Lakshadweep Islands. Okay.
मैं confusion left or right?
बेटा लेफ्ट राइट की बात ही नहीं है. अरेबियन सी आपकी वेस्ट में है मैप के और आपके ईस्ट में बे ऑफ बंगाल है. ठीक है. बे ऑफ बंगाल में कौन से आइलैंड्स ग्रुप होते हैं? अंडमान एंड निकोबार और अरेबियन सी
अंडमान एंड निकोबार.
के लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड्स. ठीक है. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज बेटा. नेम द कंट्रीज विच आर लार्जर देन इंडिया. प्रद्युम्न, नेम द कंट्रीज विच आर लार्जर देन इंडिया.
Ma'am, the countries which are larger than India are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia.
Very good. Very good. Do I need to write these answers for you people?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we will write.
Ma'am, we will write by our own in the book.
copy.
Fine. Very good. Very good. Now, which island group of India lies to its southeast?
Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Which island group of India lies to its southeast?
Ma'am, Sri Lanka and Maldives.
Ma'am, Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Yes.
Andaman and Nicobar.
Andaman and Nicobar. Very good. Andaman and Nicobar. Southeast में आपके Andaman and Nicobar है. ठीक है. Any confusions here? Any confusions here,
No,
children?
ma'am.
Very good.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Chalo. Next is
No, ma'am.
हाँ. Which island countries are our southern neighbors?
Sri Lanka and Maldives.
Ma'am, Sri Lanka and Maldives.
Maldives and Sri Lanka.
Very good. Sri Lanka and
And we have to
Mal-
do the question in the copies.
you have to do the question answers in the notebooks, beta. You have to. ठीक है? चलो.
Yeah.
The sun rises. चलिए. All the short answers done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to the third
Yes,
question. The sun rises 2 hours.
Can you please repeat the short answers?
What, beta?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the short answers?
Okay. Anybody in the class will do for me?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may
Ma'am,
I
may I?
do?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, may I don't
Ma'am,
understand.
may I do?
Cameras are not
Ma'am,
on.
Pradyunsh?
Okay, fine. Right, Pradyumsh. Tell all the answers.
Yes, ma'am. Answer for the first one is that the group of islands which lies in Arabian Sea are Lakshadweep. Second, the countries which are larger than India are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. Answer for third one is the group of islands which lies in Southeast are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Fourth one and last, which island countries are in our southern neighbors? It's Sri Lanka and Maldives.
Okay. Done, Rakshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now the next question is, the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? Anybody for this answer?
Some tricky question.
Third
Ma'am,
question.
may I?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, from Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time like of 2 hours because due to the standard meridian of India, which is 82 degree and 30 minutes east, passing through Mirzapur is taken as a standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influence the duration of day and night as moves from south to north.
I told you answer for this question. If you remember, I told you that because of the longitudinal extent of 30 degrees each, the earth takes 4 minutes to rotate through 1 degree of longitude. बताया था ना ये हमने आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. वो ये कह रहा है, इसका आंसर आप लिखोगे. Are you writing? Shall I dictate?
Yeah, ma'am.
हाँ, write
Yes,
down.
ma'am.
Whole thing of the question up till same time. Then you write, the earth takes 4 minutes to rotate through 1 degree of longitude.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, can you again tell them third answer?
Which one?
Ma'am, third.
बेटा थर्ड वाला ही बता रहे हैं बच्चे. The earth takes 4 minutes to rotate through 1 degree of longitude.
Ma'am, we have to write. No?
Right. Yes, right.
Okay, ma'am.
India has a longitudinal extent of 30 degrees, and hence there is a time difference of 2 hours.
India has a longitude
Extent of 30 degrees. And hence there is a time difference of 2 hours between these two places. but the watches are set
Screen share has been stopped.
No, ma'am, it's there. Ma'am,
but the watches are set as per the Indian Standard Time that is why written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can anybody repeat the last two lines?
Please repeat the 2 lines.
I am asking you to repeat the last two lines, please, that you have written.
May I?
Yes.
Yeah. Earth takes 4 minutes to rotate through 1 degree longitude. India has 30 degrees of longitudinal extent which lead to the lag of 2 hours, but the watches are set as per the Indian Standard Meridian.
That is India's Standard Meridian, that is 82.5 degrees east longitude.
Okay, ma'am.
Write down 82.5 degrees east longitude.
Yeah, ma'am, written.
That is why the watches show the same time.
I'm done.
Shall I give you the like numerically how we do it? Shall I give you that as well? For a better understanding?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 degrees takes 4 minutes. Right? So 30 degrees into 4 gives you 120 minutes, which is equal to 2 hours. Is it clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This also you can write for your understanding, right? मेरा class होगा. Class खत्म होने का है. Class खत्म. Class? Children done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. How much time is it showing?
6 minutes. Ma'am, 6 minutes are left.
Next question. Beta, next question. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? Okay. Write down answer to this question. Shall I dictate or shall I share the screen with you people?
Ma'am, you can share the screen. Ma'am, you can share the screen.
Okay, we'll not do this question right now because less time is left. You note down certain terms. I am writing some terms on the board. You need to define those terms, right?
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. Subcontinent. Desert meridian. Is it clear? See, these are the 4 terms that you need to define. And these definitions you will get in the last. There is a glossary index after all the chapters. From there you can get these definitions, right class?
I mean, this much written work we have to do in the copy only.
Yes, this definition part also you need to do in the notebook. There are some maps.
Ma'am, where we will get the answer for this definition?
Definitions you will get. I'll show you. Wait. There is a glossary content. Can you see? On page number 63. Page 63. You will get these contents on page 63. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it.
Yeah, got it? Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Thank you for the day.
Ma'am, the fourth question.
Fourth question we will do in the next class. Bacha, very less time is left. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Have a good day, children. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your classes. Okay.